Are you tired of those annoying computer issues? You need to watch this if you struggle with computer repairs. Let's make your tech life easier. First up, a quality screwdriver set. Different screws need different drivers and magnetic tips. They save the day when screws go rogue. Next, grab an anti-static wrist strap. Static shocks can fry your components. Stay grounded, stay safe. Plastic pry tools are a must, perfect for opening cases without any scratches or cracks. Don't forget a can of compressed air. Dust be gone from those hard-to-reach spots. Thermal paste is key for CPU jobs. Ensures your CPU stays cool and efficient. A multimeter helps you diagnose electrical issues. Test voltage, current, and resistance like a pro. Cable ties and organizers keep your workspace tidy. Better airflow, easier maintenance. Lastly, reliable diagnostic software. HW Monitor, Memtest 86, Crystal Disk Info, your digital docs. And there you have it. Get these tools and your computer repair game will be next level. Like, subscribe, and happy fixing.